Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Melt Cosmetics 420 palette. This is such a cute palette. I have never tried Melt Cosmetics before, so I'm really excited because I really love the way this palette looks. It's so pretty. It has like some brown shades that I'm feeling and a little bit of cool tone browns and some green and yellow in there. For my base, I do have Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. This concealer is really good, guys. If you want a full coverage matte concealer, this is it. But anyways, let's get into these eyes. So the first color I'm going to go in with is called Blunt. I'm going to take this color on my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to take this color in my crease and just start blending it out. This brown is actually a lot darker than I thought it was going to show up on my face. Still really nice. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but there's like some discoloration here. So it's light here, but then the shadow gets dark there, and it's making me a little worried because I feel like eyeshadow shouldn't do that. Obviously, it could be something that's, I don't know if there's something I did to make it do that, but all I did was use concealer. So not sure if it needs like an actual eye base or whatever, but that is kind of weird. But I'm gonna kind of move on and just keep going as if I don't see it happening and hope that it doesn't affect the rest of the look. Okay, so that's the color Blunt. It pretty much did the same thing on this side. It has some discoloration there where it's light and then it gets dark. But I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna take this color called Full Melt, I believe. Yeah, Full Melt. So for the color Full Melt, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm just going to start by adding this color into my crease. It does look a little lighter than Blunt, and it actually matches the color, the light color of the discoloration here. It matches that color, so this is pretty interesting. I'm not sure how this is going to go though, because what can I really do? Like, it's not blending. I'm gonna take the color Roll It and see what happens. Yeah, this is doing something very weird. It's really disappointing because I really want to try this color called Shotgun, which is the color I'm gonna put on right now. This color Shotgun is so pretty. I was gonna put this color on, but this eyeshadow is just not doing it for me. You guys can see it's literally not blending anything. It's making everything worse. The more colors I add, the worse it's getting. I'm gonna leave this stuff in just so that you guys can see what this is doing. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this part in, but I'm gonna change the palette and I'm gonna change my eyes and like redo them because I can't. I'm not gonna use this. Like, this is terrible. I'm gonna do a whole different palette. I'm going to try to use this palette again, but there's only so many times that I'm gonna attempt until I get frustrated and I don't care anymore, you know? So I'm gonna give this palette another try at a different time. Obviously, I didn't really care when I put this color on. I just kind of slapped it on just to see what it looked like because I was excited about this, but the other like 3 colors I put on, it just kept getting worse and worse, so I'm just kind of over it. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have on again the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. I'm going to go into this palette instead. So this is the Kaleidos The Escapepod palette. And like I said, guys, in my last video with using Kaleidos, I love their packaging. It's so unique, so different from other brands. This is what the inside looks like. I was going to do, you know, obviously a more fall inspired look, but today I'm just going to go into color instead with other palettes I haven't tried yet. So the first color I'm going to dive into is called Carnival. I'll show you up close. This is what Carnival looks like. It's like a nice peachy orange color. I'm going to take this color Carnival on my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to tap this color right in the front of my lid here in the crease. Next, I'm going to go into this bright pink color called Flamingo. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to place this color right next to Carnival, starting off in my crease first. And of course, blending this color into Carnival. Now I'm going to go in with this purple color called Mardi Gras. I'm going to take this color on my MAC 221 brush, and I'm just going to place this color right next to the pink, and I'm going to put it right in my crease at the end here. Then I'm going to go back in with Flamingo and blend that into the purple better. Now I'm going to take this light purple color, which is called Soiree, just to help blend out this darker purple a little bit more. So I'm going to take this light purple color on a Makeup Shack T81 brush, and I'm just going to go along the edges of this color. Now I'm going to go back with that darker purple color called Mardi Gras, and I'm going to add it back into the crease here, blending it in with Soiree just to bring it back in here because it did get lost, and these two colors together look really pretty. Now I'm going to take this color called Space Oasis. I'm going to take this color on my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm going to put this color right on my brow bone. It goes well with the purple, so I figured this would be really nice for the brow bone. And now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer, and I'm going to use this to cut crease my lid. For my cut crease, I'm going to be using my MAC 248 brush. And actually, before I do that, I'm going to kind of carve out the cut crease with my makeup wipe. And now I'm going to fill in the cut crease with that concealer. Okay, now I'm done with the cut crease. So now what I'm going to do is go back with that color Mardi Gras, and that is the darkest purple. And I'm just going to add this right back in here because it did get lost with the cut crease. So I'm just going to kind of blend it into here. And then I'm going to take that lighter purple color called Soiree, and I'm going to put Soiree right in front of that darker purple color. Now I'm going to go back with this color called Space Oasis. I'm going to take this color on the Alamar Pigment Packer brush, and I'm going to put this color right at the edge of the cut crease. So not on the whole lid, just on the edge of it. And now I'm going to take this color called Lofi. I'm going to take this color on my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm just going to pack it on right underneath the Space Oasis. Now I'm going to go in with MAC Cosmetics Liquid Lash Liner in the color Cocoa Bar, which is a nice dark brown liner. And I'm just going to line my lid. Okay guys, so I did my bottom concealer with, of course, using the Makeup Forever concealer, which is the Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. So first I'm going to go in with this color called Soiree, and I'm going to put this right underneath here. Next, I'm going to take this color called Exoplanet. I'm going to take this color on a Sephora Pro Crease 27 brush. I'm going to place this color right underneath my eye on top of that light purple color. Now I'm going to take this color called Starlight Sonata. I'm going to apply this color using my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to put this right in the front of my eye in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with this color. This is the LA Girl Cosmetics Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color Fresh. I'm going to use this on my waterline. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. It turned out really pretty, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!